Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. We are going to prepare Vermicelli Bambino Upma. In a pan, fry vermicelli in little oil. Fry the vermicelli or bambino till light golden brown color. Now the color has been changed and keep it aside. In the same pan, add some more oil and add mustard seeds, jeera seeds and peanuts. Let the peanuts get fried and add chana dal and fry for 2 minutes. Now add slitted green chilies, onion and fry it. Now add water and add the fried vermicelli to the boiling water. Add salt as per to your taste. Stir it and close the lid and cook it on medium flame for 10 minutes. Check it after 10 minutes. The vermicelli is cooked. Now add coconut pieces. It is optional, but by adding coconut pieces, it enhances the taste. Now garnish with the coriander leaves and serve it with chutney or any other pickles. Vermicelli Upma is ready. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe Foodie Bites. And for more video updates, press bell icon.